All right, guys, so it's the day of the event. I'm about to go load some last-minute tires before I start heading out. I only have 2 sets right now. I want to load at least one more just to be safe, maybe 2, even though I never go through more than 3, but just to be safe. The car's all ready. Car's ready. I just got to mount some of the tires. I'm gonna go take care of that real quick, and then we'll be heading out. All right, so I just left the tire shop. I went to go mount some tires and throw away all my old ones and all the other tires I have used up, so I don't have a bunch of tires laying around. And as you can tell by behind me, I somehow left the tire shop with even more tires, which seems to be something that happens quite a lot to me actually. But we got all the tires mounted, so I'm just heading home now. I'm gonna go pick up the trailer really quick, and then we're gonna go mount the car, and we should be good to go. All right, guys, so we made it to the event. We're early. They ended up moving the time back. It was supposed to be from 3 to 10. Now it's from 7 to 12, so I'm here super early. It's about like 4 o'clock right now. They also cut like about 2 hours of seat time, but whatever. The worst part is just having to wait until 7 o'clock to drive. I'm here already. Car made it. I'm about to unload the car and then just go over a few things, make sure everything's good, and then we should be good. So I'll let you know when we get out to the track. Wasn't like that, but I'll take it. I've done like about maybe 3 laps, and I'm gonna have to change tires probably after this lap or 2 laps. So this is not going to plan.
You don't got the hang on. See, you want that first tire to be on your left. So go to the right of it. That's your first clipping point.
Oh, okay, I got it.
I don't know where he's going. He's making his own layout. Yeah, not that. Don't do that. Yeah.
Oh shit, that's a wall. Wow, that went terrible, but for as terrible as that went pretty fucking good. This turn right here is going to kill my tires. I took a look at them when we had a little break, and I can already tell. I can already feel it. You can hear him beeping already. Try a second. See how that goes. Second's pretty good.
So are y'all not doing the like the little chicane right here?
He tries not to because it's like real tricky.
Yeah, I bet. No, I'm gonna chase.
All right, keep your distance. Ready? Pretty much done. Oh man, I think he spun out. See how we do this part here. That's good. That lost grip there. Ah, so close. So close, so close, so close. Always the same spot. You know what? I can't get mad because these tires had no life. be it too, baby. That was gonna be it too. I didn't do anything. All right, so we just finished. Went through all of my tires, all 4 sets. Completely popped every single tire. Loaded up the car. We're gonna start heading home now. The event was good. The layouts were really, really tough, but once you got the hang of it, they were pretty fun. But just, you know, just a learning experience. I keep blaming the freaking car. It's not the car. I just freaking suck. But you know, I was stuck in between third and second, and then I just used second, and I was just, you know, kind of just modulating the throttle a little bit better. You know, it is what it is. I'm on used tires, so my tires didn't have a lot of grip. That back section of the road course, I kept trying to link that little S-turn, and on every single run, the last transition, the car would just spin out. That tire had no grip. It was a very thin tire, wasn't wide, so, you know, just nothing I can do. I did link it a couple times, but I was trying to have it down packed. But I feel like I did progress it, and next time I will definitely be able to link it when I get, you know, some good grippy tires. But we're just gonna head home now. It's about an hour and 40 minutes drive back. Then I just gotta drop off the trailer, and then probably gonna sleep till next week. So thanks for watching, guys.